Want to unlock more features and grow faster on X? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to switch to a professional account on X, step by step. Let's get started. Open the X app or website. Log into your personal account that you want to convert. Tap on your profile icon, top or bottom left corner. Select Edit Profile. Scroll the page if necessary. Then click or tap on Switch to Professional. Click on Agree and Continue. Pick the most relevant category for your brand, business, or profession, e.g., journalist, musician, clothing store. Click Next. You'll be prompted to select either Business for brands, stores, or services, or Creator for influencers, public figures, or artists. Choose the one that best represents your use case. Then click Next. Your profile is now a professional account. And that's it. You've successfully switched to a professional account on X. Now you can enjoy enhanced tools, analytics, and more customization. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech guides like this. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.